Hi, everyone. This is Jeff Wren from the Association for the Advancement of Blood and Biotherapies, the AABB, coming to you from Advanced Therapies Week 2025 in Dallas. We're really excited to be here today to talk to all our customers, vendors, the industry about the quality systems that the AABB could provide around accreditation, education of donors, patients, therapy developers. Priya, what are you excited about for Advanced Therapies Week?
I'm excited by all the advancements in the industry from a technology perspective, seeing where we're moving things closer to the patient and bettering and saving lives. And then from the business side, how we bring it all together and make it a reality.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see all the talk around making sure that the patients are centered first. That's been a highlight of day one. Making sure that we're keeping the patients in mind, whether we're discussing centralized or decentralized manufacturing, autologous cell therapies versus allogeneic. It really needs to be driven by what the patients need.
Yeah, absolutely. And we actually have a fireside chat tomorrow at 5 p.m. where we are also talking about the importance of donors in this equation. And so while patients are, of course, paramount, we also need to remember the humans on the other end of the process who begin where it all begins, right? And in making sure that we have donor safety, donor engagement, and we'd love to see more therapeutics developers come join us and get involved in this discussion.
Yeah, make sure to check us out tomorrow, 5 p.m. Donor sustainability will be the topic. It's going to be really engaging, and hopefully, we get to learn a lot from each other.
I think we're going to see a lot more conversation around AI, obviously, and how we bring that to bear on this industry in a meaningful way, and where it can really accelerate a lot of these processes and how we implement that right in the context of cell and gene therapies. We were just saying in vivo CAR T is gaining a lot of
Exciting.
excitement and steam. And I think it'll be interesting to see, there's been kind of a downtrend in gene therapies and gene editing and cell therapy picking up. And I think it'll be interesting to see what happens. And of course, from a business perspective, hopefully we will see money flowing more into the sector and not just with late stage assets and M&A, but really in pouring money into some of this really exciting technology. There's so many early stage companies here doing cool things. So I'm really excited to see where they are a year from now, and hopefully they get the support they need.
I'm excited that people are having the conversations of, okay, now the biology of the therapies have been proven, scaling them out. How are we going to actually get them out to patients? So people are building those considerations and plans into their earlier phase one, phase two trials to make sure that they're built in a way that's going to allow for being able to reach patients beyond the major academic medical centers. So I hope that's continued focus for 2025. Yeah, we're seeing a strong presence at Advanced Therapies Week from the blood centers. They're really sharing out their capabilities that have been established. They've worked for decades, and engaging with the therapy developers to say, hey, you guys don't need to recreate the wheel. We understand, apheresis, blood product management, working with different hospitals and networks within their own established networks to get these products characterized and out the door for delivery.